I am tired. I am sick and tired. I am sick and tired of all this nonsense they keep making us watch. It was Housewives of Joburg, Housewives of Durban. Now it's Housewives of Cape Town, Housewives of Lagos. Give us some Real Housewives. We want to watch something with real drama, something with exciting drama. Give us Housewives of KwaMashu, Housewives of Cape Flats, Housewives of Soweto, Housewives of Wari. There we will see some real drama. We want to see women who put Vaseline on their face before they go out for a fight. We want to see women with tattoos of their ex-boyfriends on their breast. And we want to see women with some real fights, women who will be fighting some real proper fights. I'm talking about wig snatching. I'm talking about women who are not afraid to take off their false teeth in public. I'm talking about women who are not afraid to shoplift on live television. I'm talking about some real women who are willing to fight their men, not just talk. I'm talking about some women with some real gossip. I'm talking about the DNA kind of gossip where they talk and they will tell you who is the real father of their friends' children. Stop giving us this fake nonsense, everyone acting posh. We want some real drama. I think the next installment of Housewives, they must put me as a housewife of KwaMashu, and I will show them people that will give them real drama. Guys, go and vote. Tell these television companies we want Housewives of KwaMashu, and I will be there as housewife number 1. And the good thing is, not all these housewives are married. And me, I represent all women. I've been single, married, divorced, widowed. So I can even act the whole season by myself and represent all sorts of women.